Hi everyone, today I'm making these super easy blue puff flower earrings with pearl bead. For that I'll be using acrylic yarn, scissors, crochet hook and needle, as well as the beads and some earring hooks. I'll also use small pliers for making jewelry. If you love crochet projects, please subscribe to my channel because I'll be posting more tutorials. To start the pattern, we'll make a slip knot and then chain 5. Next, connect to the first chain by making a slip stitch. Next, we'll begin with making the first petal of the flower by making chain 3. Then we'll make the puff stitch, yarn over, insert the hook into the ring, and pull through and make it about as tall as the chain 3. Then do yarn over and hold on to that yarn that is on the hook with your thumb. Insert the hook inside the ring and keep pulling the yarn through until you do that 6 times. Next, you do yarn over and pull through all of the loops, and then chain 3, followed by a slip stitch inside the ring. And that is the first petal completed. You'll do that 4 more times, so 5 petals in total, starting with chain 3. And I'll make 5 petals in total to complete my flower. Once you have all 5 petals done, pull through the yarn and then cut it with your scissors. We can move the puff stitches around in order to make them stand out a little bit more. Then you'll use a crochet needle to attach the bead. Make sure the needle can go through the bead. Once you have the bead in the front of the earring, you can tie the yarn ends in the back, and then you can hide them by using a crochet needle. Now that we have placed the bead on, we can cut the excess tail ends, and then we can place the earring hook on the flower. I'll use my small pliers that are used for jewelry making to open the hook, place it in the middle of one of the petals, just like so, and then just tighten with your pliers. And that's it. Look how pretty this is. Super cute and super easy to make. I hope you enjoyed it and you made your own. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. I respond very quickly. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video if you enjoyed it. I have included the materials that I've used today in the description of this video. Have a great day, everyone. See you next time.